To access the new Proofer dashboard so you can view all of your uploaded proof designs, all you need to do is click on Pro Enhancement and click on Design Proofer Dashboard, and this will take you through to the dashboard in which you can see your design proofs. All you need to do is simply click on the design proofs, and this will take you through to everything that you have uploaded so far on the new Fundy Designer album proofer. Here you can see the name of the proof, the client name, the client emails, and the date you created the proof, and the date when everything was updated with any amendments. The last client activity is not when the client last logged in, but when they sent any comments or approved the album. On the right hand side here you can see the link to directly send to the client if they have misplaced the link you initially sent in the original email.